Hello everyone, to make custom cursos first, go to this website. I'll leave the link in the description. Here you'll find a wide variety of custom cursors to choose from. At the bottom you can filter by categories. In my case, I want this one, so I'll click here to download it. Now right-click and choose Extract All. Alright. Now we'll go to the control panel. Search for cursor. Click here. Go to the Pointers tab, click Browse, then go to the folder where we extracted the cursor. Now repeat the same for each cursor type. Click Apply, then OK. And that's it. As you can see, it looks awesome. Thanks for watching. If this video helps you out, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more tips.